I'm starting off my style out with a wash. I'm going to be using TG's Urban Antidotes line, number 1, which is Re-Energize. This is going to give the hair that extra shine, and it's going to revitalize the hair, give it almost like the wake up that it needs. It's for relatively healthy hair that doesn't have more damage than just everyday wear and tear.
Let's have another toast to the girl almighty. Let's pray we stay young, stay made of lightning. Am I the only believer? There's something happening here. There's something happening here.
Okay, after I get her rinsed and back to my station, it's time for styling products. For this style, we're going for shiny, sleek, and luscious. So I chose some of my favorites, starting with Ego Boost, which is a very light leave-in conditioner, Glaze Haze, a shine serum, Blowout Balm for an illuminating shine. It has these small gold flecks in it, so it's shimmery, it's beautiful. And also Head Rush for a finisher. Start by power drying her, just quickly running through my hands with the blow dryer and getting most of that moisture out.
As many ambulances as it takes to save a savior. She floats through the room on a big balloon. Some say she's such a fake that her love is made up. No. Let's have another toast.
So I'm gonna start my blow dry now. Using a smaller round brush, I section the hair into smaller subsections to make it easier to dry, and I wanted to make sure that all the hair was dry from the root all the way to the ends. I did this to all the sections until the entire head was dry.
Something happening here. There's something happening here. The only believer. There's something happening here. I hope you feel what I'm feeling too. I get down on my knees for you.
Okay, so I'm taking a small section near the front of the recession, and I'm gonna do a waterfall braid. And I'm gonna take this braid and wrap it all the way around to the other side, where I'm gonna secure it with bobby pins.
Down on my knees for you.
Next, I'm gonna take hot iron spray, which is a heat protectant, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray the ends that are left out of the braid and comb it through. Combing it through is going to ensure that the product gets all the way to the ends. Here, I'm just picking up the pieces that fell from the waterfall braid and clipping them up until I need them.
Hotter than a jet stream, burn it up.
I'm taking a smaller curling wand, and I'm going through and curling about 1-inch sections of hair with the hair that isn't clipped up. You can use any kind of curling iron, a Marcel or a bigger barrel. I just chose a smaller one for this particular look. Here I'm taking Sessions Work It Hairspray by Catwalk to seal the curls. Now I'm going to take a flat paddle brush and just brush out the curls. I went ahead and let down the rest of the hair, and I'm gonna add curls to those pieces as well. Lightly run your fingers through those curls, and then add your head rush for the shine and the finish. Technique is complete.
I think I'm gonna win this time. I roll and I roll till I change my luck. Yeah, I roll and I roll till I change my luck.